Hello everyone, myself Bhuvanashri VS, currently pursuing my civil engineering in SVC Bengaluru. Today we will be discussing about bolted connections. Introduction to bolted connections. Bolted connections are critical components in the assembly of structures and machinery. They provide a mechanical means to join two or more elements securely. Understanding bolted connections is essential for engineers and designers in various industries. Importance of bolted connections. Bolted connections are widely used due to their reliability and ease of maintenance. They allow for disassemble and reassemble, which is beneficial for repairs and modifications. Properly designed bolted connections enhance the overall strength and integrity of a structure. Basic components of bolted connections. A typical bolted connection consists of a bolt, nut and a washer. The bolt serves as a primary fastening element, while the nut provides the clamping force. Washers help them to distribute the load and protect the surfaces being joined. Types of bolts. There are several types of bolts. Each are designed for specific applications. Common types include X bolts, carriage bolts, and eye bolts. Understanding the different types of bolts helps in selecting the right one for the application. Some of the type of bolts are anchor bolts, carriage bolts, eye bolts, hanger bolt, X bolt, square head bolt, U bolt, and lag bolt. X bolts. X bolts are characterized by their hexagonal heads and are commonly used in construction. They are designed to be used with an hex nut and are suitable for high strength applications. X bolt can be found in various grades, indicating their tensile strength and material properties. Carriage bolts. Carriage bolts have a round head and a square neck that prevents them from turning when tightened. They are primarily used in wood applications and are ideal for connecting wood beams. Carriage bolts are often used in outdoor furniture and structural connections in timber. Eye bolts. Eye bolts feature a loop at one end, allowing for the attachment of ropes or cables. They are commonly used for lifting and hoisting applications. Eye bolts come in various designs, including swivel and non-swivel types, enhancing versatility. Advantages of bolted connections. Bolted connections provide high strength and load-bearing capacity when properly designed. They allow for easy assembly and disassemble, which simplifies maintenance and repairs. Bolted connections can accommodate thermal expansion and contraction without losing integrity. Disadvantages of bolted connections. One disadvantage of bolted connection is that potential for loosening over time due to vibrations. They can also require more space compared to welded connection, impacting design efficiency. Corrosion can be an issue if the bolt and materials are not adequately protected. Design considerations. Proper design of bolted connections involves load calculation and material selection. Engineers must consider factors such as shear, tension, and environmental conditions. Ensuring the correct tightening torque is essential for maintaining joint integrity. Bolt grading and standards. Bolts are classified by grades which indicate their tensile strength and material properties. Common standards include ASTM, ISO, and SAE, which govern bolt specifications. Selecting the appropriate bolt grade is crucial for ensuring safety and performance. Installation techniques. Proper installation techniques are vital for the effectiveness of bolted connections. It is essential to use the correct tools and follow the manufacturer's guidelines. Torque wrenches are often used to ensure that bolts are tightened to the specified levels. Maintenance of bolted connection. Regular inspection of bolted connection is necessary to detect potential issues earlier. Signs of wear, corrosion, or loosening should be addressed promptly to prevent failure. Maintenance practices can extend the lifespan of the connection and ensure safety. Applications of bolted connections. Bolted connections are used in a wide range of applications, including bridges and buildings. They are also common in automotive and aerospace industries for assembling components. Other applications include machinery, furniture, and electrical equipment. Comparison with welded connections. Bolted connections can be disassembled easily, unlike welded connections, which are permanent. Welded connections may provide a smoother surface finish but can be more labor intensive. The choice between bolted and welded connections depends on the specific application requirements. Environmental considerations. Environmental factors can significantly impact the performance of bolted connections. Corrosion resistant coatings and materials are essential for outdoor applications. Engineers must consider climatic conditions when designing bolted connections. Conclusion. Bolted connections are essential for ensuring structural integrity in engineering applications. Understanding the types, advantages and disadvantages is crucial for effective design. Continued advancements will enhance the performance and reliability of bolted connections. Thank you.